Hi money magnets. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a great way for you to make money online. I'm going to show you the easiest way to get started. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. So get ready to make some cash. If you haven't heard about ChatGPT, this is how it looks like. What you're going to do is go to openai.com. From here, you can see ChatGPT. You're going to click here and sign up for an account. This is how it looks like. So it's a chatbot that is very, very powerful. You can ask him a lot of questions and he can give you all the answers that you need, or even create an article or a blog instantly. Here's an example how to make money with ChatGPT. Click enter. There you go. This is how simple it is to use. But the thing here is, how do you use something so simple so that you can monetize it for yourself? I have some ideas here that I can easily give you. So let's get started. Number one, copywriting anything. In this case, I asked ChatGPT to give me an email template for Christmas sale at 50% for my vegan cookies. This is just an example. It can be anything, whether you're selling a course, an ebook, or anything out there. As you can see, these are the template that they have given me, and it's very, very awesome. What you can do now is you can go to Fiverr and apply all sorts of freelance work, whether it is writing emails, whether it is writing video sales letter or sales letter, or even articles and blog posts. The opportunities are almost limitless. In fact, don't just only go into Fiverr in what I'm showing you here. You can also apply for other freelance alternatives as well. Such examples will be Upwork, freelancer.com, people per hour, Hoptel, guru.com. So you're not only applying for one, you're applying for all of them. That gives you more opportunity to get deals from clients. It's very simple. When there's a task from a client, all you need to do is to use ChatGPT to give you the framework or template which you can edit, and you can start sending them back to the clients and asking them for payment. This will speed up a lot of work. I've used it myself and it saved me from 4 hours of work now into 1 hour of work. But if you are thinking of writing SEO blog posts, as you can see here, SEO blog posts are normally able to charge higher than the rest. It's because it will most likely rank on Google. So I use a platform called WriteSonic. WriteSonic has an article writer that can help you write SEO friendly blog posts. I'll put the link below in the description so you guys can check that out. So this is how it looks like. It gets you to create keywords, get your ideas, get an outline, and finally get an article out from there. Very, very powerful stuff. So if you are thinking of generating more revenue in terms of your copywriting work, WriteSonic is the platform for you to get. As for idea number two is affiliate marketing. In my suggestion is that you can use Systeme.io. It's the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform, which I personally use as well. This is how the blog post that I use ChatGPT to create. So if you're using an affiliate marketing business model, you can write an article on your website or your blogs and you put in your affiliate links, which when someone clicks into it, you get a percentage of revenue when someone purchases that particular software or the affiliate product that you have. As for the best affiliate platforms, you can apply not just one. My suggestion is to apply as much as you can and then only see which are the ones which is great for you and start promoting it. So for example, Share Sales is one of them. Awin as well. Amazon Associates, really good one. CJ Affiliates, formerly known as Commission Junction, and also ClickBank, real awesome ones. Now, the reason why I suggest to use Systeme.io is that it has a very powerful blog system. It has all the templates that you can easily pick from, and it looks really cool that you can immediately start with. This is one example. It looks really awesome. This is also another example. This is also another example. really awesome that you can immediately start. And the good thing about Systemy.io, which I will include the link in the description as well, is that it is free. So you can get started on that immediately. Start using ChatGPT to create your articles, to create your blog posts, and start ranking it into Google itself. And now idea number 3. What happens if you don't like to create affiliate marketing or creating your own websites or even maintaining your own blog? Well, in this case, you can start selling starter sites or starter blogs. Similar to how you create your own blog and website using Systemy.io, you are creating these websites and then selling it on Flipper.com. So Flipper.com is a marketplace for you to buy and sell websites. As you can see, people are selling websites around 70,000, 7,000. There's a lot of variations, but since you are selling a starter site, you will not be able to sell this amount. You probably need to sell something around, say, 500 to 1,005, depends on your amount of work and depends on how great your website is. Flipper is not the only one. You have another one called freemarket.com as well, where you can buy and sell websites. But what if you don't like to sell website? What if you just prefer to sell brand names? That's where you can use ChatGPT as well. In this case, I asked ChatGPT to give me 5 brand names for a nootropic supplement. So I got Brain Boost, Neuro Enhance, Cognitive Leap, Mental Edge, Think Fast. I like Mental Edge and Think Fast. So that's an example that you can get from ChatGPT. So what you can do is buy a domain name based on Think Fast, Mental Edge, or sort of these brand names that you have. What you're gonna do is copy this and go into GoDaddy and see whether you can purchase that domain name. So this is godaddy.com, and let's see whether we can get a nice domain name from here. As we can see here, mental-edge.com is at 1990 in Malaysian dollars. This is really awesome, really cheap. And yes, you can actually purchase this from GoDaddy. And next thing you can do is to use Canva. I use Canva Pro myself because it has so much more features to create your particular logo. Once you got your particular logo, you can go to BrandPart and start selling them. As you can see here, no website, just brand names, domain name, and a logo. Decor Door, nearly $5,000. Juicy Q, nearly $8,000. So this is an example that you can use ChatGPT to give you great ideas and then going into GoDaddy to search whether you can purchase that domain name. Now, idea number 4 is to sell templates or ebooks. As you can see here, this is a template of email subject lines and people are selling it like hotcakes. So 100 e-commerce subject lines and email publishing tips. 1 year of email pre-written for marketers alike. They're selling it at this price and there's a lot of buyers in fact. So it's up to you on what sort of ebooks or templates that you want to sell. You can sell customer service templates, sales templates, product description templates, or if you want to create an ebook for a particular niche, that would be great as well. So example in this case is a niche of going into nurturing from cold to warm email. So 4 months of marketing emails pre-written for you. You can see here, and these are all passive income. Once you've created it from ChatGPT, you can design it on Canva Pro and then uploading it onto Etsy as well. This is an example of a great one, such as detox recipe ebooks, maybe even how to fish or how to cook a certain recipe or how to detox or how to take care of your dog or cat. All sorts of ideas you can use with ChatGPT. Etsy is not the only one. You can also upload it on Amazon itself, which allows you to have more clients out there. And they are all passive income. You just need to put the work up front, and after that, you are just enjoying the benefits. Of course, you need to write the description, the product itself, but think about it, once you did the hard work, you get to enjoy for a very long time. Number 5 is what I'm doing here, creating YouTube channels and videos, or if you don't like to show your face, you can create faceless YouTube channels. So in this case, I use ChatGPT to give me a YouTube script on the power of compound interest. Definitely you need to edit and then get someone to edit these videos for you. Such example would be this faceless YouTube channel called Brothers Invest. In fact, they've just created it on the 12th of September, and now they are generating every month around 191 to 3,000, and that is very fast. And the way they are using it is to use all these whiteboard scripts or whiteboard markers to create. And one example they can use is VideoScribe. So VideoScribe allows you to do what Brothers Invest can do, where you can create video whiteboard designs or animations that can help you generate passive income for a very long time on YouTube. But if you don't like to do something like faceless YouTube channel, you are someone who is more braver, you can do it something like what I do. I personally use this script. So I do not like to edit videos, but this script changed the game for me because I now can edit videos based on text. So everything that I film, I upload it to this script and it will detect all the text that has been said in the video. Probably they detect audio to text, and then I can edit the text or any errors that I've done, including this video itself, which I'm sure you there is a lot of errors, which I just make it disappear with this script. And when you use this video editor, it will help you a lot in terms of how fast you can produce the video, especially if you are not a video editor or if you're someone who hates video editing. This will save you a ton. So yeah, that's my 5 easiest simple ways to make money with ChatGPT. If you enjoy this video and want to know more on more advanced skills on how to use ChatGPT to make money online, subscribe the channel, hit that like button, and if you have any question, type it down below and I will answer all of them personally. This is Eldon for Money Magnet, and I'll see you in the next one.